Phoenix, where's the pep in your step? What's wrong, mate? What's going on? What's that? You want to go back to Target again? Okay, buddy, let's go get more of your new favorite cereal and treats from Bark. Lead the way, buddy. It's awesome. You can now get your favorite treats and toys at Target. It's put that pep back in your step. Phoenix loves Bark Beefy meat hunks best when he's out and about. And he loves Frosted Socks best for cereal time with Mum. Phoenix says they're super tasty, but I love them because they're nutritious grains and tummy friendly. We love our new family time. Thanks, Bark. Thanks, Target.